collector relay installation. This video will demonstrate how to install the Silux Control Collector Relay. Complete the installation before continuing with the teaching and programming on the app. Firstly, please ensure your power is off at the mains box before attempting to modify or work on any electrical wiring, if this is required. Secondly, if you feel uncomfortable or you are unfamiliar with household electrical wiring, we recommend that you use a qualified electrician to install these products for you. The maximum load of a collector relay is 600 watts. Therefore, whether you are choosing to control a few devices or just one device, ensure the maximum total load does not exceed 600 watts. Collector relays can be used to control lights, LED or incandescent, heat panels, or other devices, as long as the load is not larger than 600 watts. Generally, electricity from downlights or standard light fittings, as examples, loop to one another and then they go to the switch before running to the mains box or DB board, as seen in the diagram. So let's begin. Wiring the collector relay. Step 1. Unscrew the grey covers on the collector. This exposes the connector terminals you will be wiring to. Step 2. Locate the wire coming from the mains box to the downlights. It is advised to cut the wire between the switch and the lights, as shown in our diagram. Step 3. The wire coming from the switch, wired to the mains box, must be connected to the input on the collector. Press lock the wire into the respective input terminal connectors as indicated. The wire coming from the downlights must be connected to the output on the collector. Press lock the wire into the respective output terminal connectors as indicated. Ensure your wiring is connected as the pictures indicate, namely live, neutral, and earth. Please pay careful attention to the wiring. Once this is complete and you have checked all your wiring to be tight, switch the mains power on to test if there is power. You will see a red light inside the collector relay. You can close the grey covers. You have successfully completed the process of connecting power to the collector relay. If you have wired your collector relay similarly to how we show it in the diagram, your collector relay will be wired between your existing light switch and lights. Please make sure your light switch is on when testing the collector relay. This light switch should remain on at all times as Silux Control will need permanent power to the devices. You are ready to move on to programming and teaching a collector relay now.